Hey guys, Happy H here. These are some ways to empty grey water. A perfect solution for a shower over the bath. Simply collect the shower bath water and pump what you've done. For the shower, just keep a large bucket in the shower recess to catch as much as possible and pump when you're done. In the laundry, place a bucket under the washing machine drain hose, being careful to time the cycles so as to minimize overfilling the bucket causing spilling, and pump when it's full. You might like to use more eco-friendly washing detergents, softeners, body wash, shampoo and conditioners. We all know that Australia is in drought, with a lot of suburbs under imposed water restrictions, including only watering with cans under the manual bucketing system. Anyone can use it, water any time of the day, with a hose or sprinkler. Restrictions do not apply to grey water usage. Let me show you how. Here are some friendly, helpful tips. There's many ways you can place your hose out the window, through the floor, whatever works for you. For us, straight out the window to the grey water bin. When you're emptying out water out of the laundry, connect your inlet and your outlet to where your grey water bin is. Follow the arrow, press the button, you're good to go. If you're like me and you want to do the nature strip, you got a 2-meter hose, wheel your bin out, it's safe, you're good to go.